ever struggled finding a gift for someone? Today we will show you how to make a rainbow cake. Welcome to the Cooking Show!
Who doesn't like cake? Or who doesn't like rainbows? And in this recipe you will see the best way to combine both.
It will look like a regular cake on the outside, but when you actually cut into it, it will be so colorful, your friend will be so surprised. The things we'll need will be...
To make the cake batter, we will need the following ingredients that we got at our local grocery store.
200 grams of butter,
200 grams of sugar,
200 grams of flour,
2 teaspoons of baking powder,
4 eggs,
and 2 lemons.
and if you want to make your cake juicier, you can prepare a lemon syrup by mixing together water, lemon and sugar.
For the buttercream you'll need
250 grams of butter,
600 grams of powdered sugar,
250 grams of cream cheese,
and lemon extract.
and now let's put it all together!
First off, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. And spray the bottom of your baking pan using cooking spray.
Next, we will whisk the butter and sugar up in circular motions.
Now it's time to add the eggs. We recommend that you add one at a time so that the batter is well combined.
After we have combined them, the next step is adding our dry ingredients, which are the flour and the baking powder.
Then we will graze the lemon peel to give it a stronger taste. Now we add it to the mixture. And we whisk it up.
And now that the batter is ready, next step is to divide it into 5 so we can dye it.
Make sure you're using some kind of measuring spoon so that each bowl has the same amount of batter. let's add some color to our cake.
The colors we are using are blue, green, yellow, orange, and red.
And now we're gonna grab our little pans and we're gonna put our mixtures on them. Just like this. And now it's time to bake!
Be careful with the size of your pans. You don't want the cake batter to be dripping out.
Check you're using sun protection so you don't get burned.
Set your oven at 180 degrees for 25 minutes.
Interesting fact!
The tradition of birthday cakes was invented by Greeks and Egyptians about 5,000 years ago as a part of religious ceremony.
The candles are a tribute to the birthday person and they're supposed to make him luckier on the following year.
The cakes are ready!
You may think they've changed colors, but they're the same colors that we dyed them before on the inside, and we'll see that later once we build the cake. It's time to unmold the cakes!
Time for the buttercream! The first step is weighting the ingredients, as Marta is doing here.
Make sure that your butter is room temperature so that it is easier to cut.
And now to make our buttercream, we have to add the butter, which we have previously cut it into pieces, to the powdered sugar.
And using a hand mixer,
We will mix it all together in this bowl. Be careful when you mix it because your kitchen counter might get a little messy like ours did. We saw that our mixture was too dry, so we decided to add some milk, which is optional. But if you see that it is getting really dry, you can add around 2 tablespoons of milk. And just mix it all together.
now we are going to add the cream cheese.
And we mix it again.
Let's add some lemon extra.
And now we're gonna put our buttercream in the fridge so that it sets for a little while.
After a few minutes, we take our buttercream out of the fridge.
We have to put some buttercream in the plate, like this. And then we have to alternate cake with buttercream. And that's all.
And it's time to build the cake!
Now we're going our buttercream.
And the last thing is to add the spring rolls.
Let's see the inside.
And that's all for
That's about the whole recipe. We hope you guys liked it. See you tomorrow.
See you
Bye!
tomorrow.
Woo!